Good morning to all of you and respected sir. Today we are discussing about topic alcohol should be banned, and according to my point of view, everything more use of the everything affected as therefore alcohol is badly affected in our self control and mind. Thank you.
I agree with you. My name is Suresh Kumar. According to my point of view, in ancient time, alcohol is used to like a medicine.
I agree with my friend. My name is Dinesh Guzar. Hilly areas and cold regions are necessary for alcohol. Thanks.
I agree with you, friends. I want to share my experience on use of alcohol. Everything has merits and demerits, but it is dependent on user's deeds.
Yes, I agree with my friends. My name is Roshan Yadav. Alcohol like beer in helping a stone in bodies.
Yes, I agree with my friend. My name is Rakesh Kumar. I want to express my views on this topic. A lot of use of alcohol is damaged our liver system.
Yes, I agree with my friend. Alcohol should be banned in our country because when we use more and more, it harmful for our body. And when we use it in less quantity, then we can also take its medicine. After that, it also create a surveillance in a family because when a person use the alcohol, after that they cannot survive their family.
Yes, my friend. the use alcohol usage of our country is main cause of GDP. GDP increasing, but in my point of view, using alcohol is the major cause of domestic violence and money violence.
Yes, I agree with my friends. The alcohol is also towards advantage and disadvantage. It depends only users how we use it. So we must use it very carefully and in a limited manner.
Yes, my friend, I am agree with you. Alcohol is also good for our health. It's help from free depression and anxiety.
Yes, my friend, I am agree with you. I add one more point that someone says rightly that the excessive use of anything is bad for everything, and the excessive use of alcohol is the bad for human body.
I agree with friend. My name is Vansu Gedia. I express on the view on alcohol. Alcohol is necessary in our life. It is totally depend on us how we use it. Some are the advantage of alcohol is it in hilly areas and cold areas. It is useful in the every life.
Yes, I agree with my friend. Alcohol should not be banned in our country because it create a good revenue for our country because our GDP is dependent on the alcohol.
Yes, I agree with my friends. The alcohol reduce stress and the confidence level is reached high.
Yes, my friend, I agree with you. In the modern era, the families
Yes, my friend, I am agree with you. In COVID-19 times, alcohol helps to growth our GDP.
I agree with you. And some more points. Some students takes alcohol first time like a passion, but sometimes it is addictive of them.
Yes, I agree, friend. I add some more points. More use of the alcohol has create road accidents due to decrease our life.
Yes, I agree with you. Alcohol manufacturer give many employment in India.
Yes, my friends, I am agree with you, but excessive use of alcohol, many people take wrong decision like kidnapping, rape, and family violence.
Yes, my friend.
It is dangerous for our society and nation.
Yes, I agree with my friend. The excessive use of alcohol is two types dangerous. First, money, and second is health.
Yes, I agree with my friends. I add some points. Nowadays, many youth are addicted to alcohol. They are diverting from goal.
I agree with my friend. Add some more point. Good taxes and revenue for alcohol.
Yes, I agree with my friend. It should not be banned in our country because mostly people are also working in the many shops, in wine shops. After that, when we ban it, then they lose their employment.
Yes, friend, I agree with you. In influence of alcohol, man commits many crimes.
Yes,
my
I agree.
friends, I am agree with you, but many states GDP is depend on the alcohol's earning.
Yes, I agree with my friend. The limited use of alcohol is a works and medicine.
Yes, I agree with friend. I add some more points. Modern time is full of alcohol. Without the alcohol, our parties, music are incomplete. Thank you.
Yes, I agree with my friends. I add some points. A drunken person are control loss of mental control.
Yes, friend, I agree with you. In many positions such as stress and depression, alcohol saves men's life.
Yes,
I agree with you. Some more points.
but
Alcohol also helpful for the cutting stone in bladder.
Yes, I agree with my friends that the use of alcohol, our confidence level at high level. So we are express our opinion.
Yes, I agree with friend. I had some more one more use of the alcohol affected our kidneys, our liver. Thank you.
Yes, my friends, alcohol consumption is provide many people jobs. So if we ban it, the people lose.
I agree with you, and some people are over drink the alcohol. They affect the financial position of the family, and if we are badly over drinking the alcohol, they beaten their children as well as their wife also.
I agree with friend. Excessive usage of alcohol is harmful your body. It damages your liver.
Yes, I agree with you. I add one more. In the COVID-19, we all over the world people see that the alcohol is boon for India because it is the growth of the GDP of India.
Yes, my friend, I agree with you. And in hilly areas, people should drink.
Yes, I agree with my friend. Unemployment is the biggest problem for our country. When we use the wine more and more, after that a family cannot survive a good chance for their future. After that we should ban the alcohol.
Yes, I agree with my friend. In hilly and cold area, alcohol should be necessary because it warm these bodies.
Yes, I agree with my friend. The more use of alcohols, we are part of unconscious.
Yes, my friends, I am agree with you, but in my point of view, the use of alcohol is a boon for our society because many people use it as a medicine to remove fatigue and anxiety.
Yes, I agree. Some more points. Some people are make alcohol in their homes. It is harmful to people because in we can take examples of Bihar states. Many people are die from the poison alcohol.
Yes, I agree, friend. I add some more points. Alcohol is beneficial for our life, but in limit. Thank you.
I agree with my friend. Add some more point. Alcohol is banned for reduce crime. Thanks. Yes, I agree with my friends. The use of alcohol reduces cholesterol, so we are remove heart disease.
I agree with friend, but nowadays youth are addicted to alcohol and they are divert your goal.
Yes, my friend, I agree with you. I would like to say that the alcohol is a boon for every person because it is used in the limit, because it is the decrease the heart attacks problem.
Yes, I agree with you. I add some more points. Alcohol is have many pros and cons. It totally depends on drinkers. If we drink in right manner, it is good for them.
Yes, I agree with you.
Limitation use of alcohol reduce hazardous of heart attack.
Yes, I agree, friend. I add some more points. Alcohol factories has a great role of job of opportunity.
Yes, I agree with my friend. The more use of the alcohol, it decreases the social respect in our society. After that, when we use it more and more, our condition is worse and worse.
Yes, my friends, in my point of view, many NGOs and many organizations are providing good awareness about this side effect of tobacco.
Yes, I agree with my friends. I had some points. I would like to say alcohol is good but in limit.
Yes, I agree with my friend. Firstly, we have our responsibility that we should aware among the people what is the effect of the alcohol. After that, when people are aware about that, they cannot use it. And many NGOs are also working on these families. These families, those are working on the high level of the alcohol.
Yes, friend, I agree with you. Alcohol away from people reality.
Yes, I agree with friend. I add some more point. Alcohol is affected our home poverty. Thank you.
I agree with friend. Alcohol is a boon and ban because the alcohol it totally depend on us how we depend on users. A drinker has relationship with your family is decreased.
Yes, I agree with my friends that some states are ban of alcohol. So some addicted peoples are most want to use the alcohol, poisonable alcohol and the cause of death.
Yes, I agree with my friend. When we totally ban the alcohol in our country, then the illegal activities also increase in our country. Yeah. But when, as you know that the Gujarat is one of the states the alcohol is banned. After that, the illegal activities are also increased in the Gujarat.
Yes, I agree.
Push on together from all of us.